Thank you. Max said thank you. The card's in her hand. Oh, another one.
Maxine already opened one present.
I know.
Yeah, happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
She loves it.
Yeah.
Maybe she'll be used to it.
What? It's not really as much for her as it is for us.
Elmo!
It's her dad's happy.
Did they have fun cookies?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
On the back.
I heard you like Elmo.
They walk through the door when he brings her home from daycare. First thing out of her mouth is Elmo. Elmo?
Elmo knows how nice you are, how smart and special too. That's why he's glad to be the one who brings this wish to you. Happy Elmo!
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
I'll get it. You stay.
Elmo!
Brandon, stay. Where you are, please. Exactly.
This one's from the blue bag.
Do you want to see this one?
From the blue bag.
Stick it all. You can just put it all back in the bag.
Yeah. This is from your grandmom. On your birthday, and always wishing you laughter to share. Love you can feel, and the joy of knowing how special you are.
That's a pretty card.
I'm actually videotaping, so your butt is now on here because you leaned down in
Going
front
back
of
for
it.
Elmo?
You're welcome. You'll appreciate it in years to come.
Maxi pants. Turn it up.
She can do it. She's opening up that card. I don't know.
She's quite stubborn, if you can't tell. She comes by that honestly from both sides. You can sit. You can go through. Just don't stand in front, please.
Okay. Press. Push. You push.
She's got it, Connie.
Yeah.
She's getting it.
She looks very confused.
I had to get that one.
Cute.
Nope, that's it.
She's
She's gonna press
apparently
it
got
again.
stage fright because she'll do that all day long when nobody's around.
I think she's confused about where it's coming from.
Push.
Alright. Do that later.
Next.
Okay.
Alright. Wow!
Very big one.
As big as you are. Oh, yes, it'll go in the house later.
No!
Oh, the number
Oh, she's
2
fine,
is
Connie.
tasty.
She's just gonna do it again. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine.
You care about the nose one?
No, I don't. Thanks.
Oh, she dropped it.
What can I see?
Next.
Next.
Let me get my card.
What else is in there?
You want to get it? You do it?
What is it?
You do it, yeah.
Well, there's
She
crayons.
dropped the card.
Elmo? Elmo? No, I don't know. I don't think there's Elmo in here. There's a fairy, though.
Oh,
There's berries to eat during the
what
week.
is that? Princesses?
Got free fairy fun.
Disney Fairies gummy snacks.
Snacks.
Fruity.
Fairy snacks. Gummy
She's addicted. It'll be awesome.
I think they're in little individual packs. I'm not sure.
That's what it says. She's
Probably.
addicted to them. She loves little fruit snack packs. Yeah.
She's like, she's wanting one right now.
she doesn't hear what else is
Next, what else is in the bags, Max?
Yeah, these are
Honey.
just the kind of size.
You just gonna squirrel.
No. Put it on the table. Write your name on it.
Next, what else is in the bag, Max Pants?
What else is in here?
There it is.
What else you guys?
Ooh.
What are those?
Marker.
Markers?
Washable markers.
They're washable? Yes, washable.
Awesome.
I'm in the business, remember?
We don't take kindly to colored markers around here.
Uh-oh.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
What is that?
Hello?
Cell phone.
Cell phone?
Hello?
Yeah, totally.
If you're very, I think you can record your voice on there and she'll hear your voice saying hello.
Hello?
Cute.
Hello?
Is there anything else in the bag?
Here you go,
Yeah, I
Erin.
think that's it.
Okay,
She's saying peace. You want to?
Gina. Max, say thank you, honey.
Brandon, I was going to give you some money because I didn't know what you wouldn't get. But
We got more presents. More presents.
Another present. Oh, that one's cool.
It's the squirrel from you.
Look, Maxie.
Uh-oh. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, I'm not done. I'm right.
It's got a...
it has to be undone in the back of
Hello?
the blanket. There's a wire probably in the back, huh?
It's okay. Max, what's in the next bag?
Yeah, look in the next
If
bag.
you distract her, she'll be fine.
Go in that next bag. Tell me what I bought you.
It's got a rubber band thing on it.
What's in there?
She'll be distracted.
Oh, he was sad because he wanted to color, and I can't let him color. There's more paper.
Thank you, Mark.
Yeah.
Reusable bag.
Mm-hmm.
What's in there, Max? Elmo? Could it be Elmo?
Elmo. Elmo.
Is it Elmo? It's an Elmo camera. Yeah, that's for me.
Hello?
Push the button.
Why don't you do what I was going to do? Right.
Yeah, baby.
Not too good. Get a knife or a scissors.
Go ahead.
Probably gets
another
good
present.
get ours out of the way and stuff because ours is not going to be nearly as cool as all the toys. We want the very practical.
I don't know what that one is.
Easy.
This is from Santa.
That's so practical.
Nana. Okay.
Mom. Yours is the flat one, right?
She found the way in.
One that looks surprisingly like a clothes box.
Oh, okay.
I followed her suggestion.
Oh.
Yay, Maxie. What you got, Max?
I thought
What is that?
SpongeBob.
Alex, don't stand there because we cut the recording. So is that from my mom? Okay.
That's from Nana,
She
Mommy.
said Bob.
It's from Grandma
Uh-huh.
Vicky.
SpongeBob. Woohoo!
From Nana. Is that a pillow?
Kind of.
It could be.
Bob.
It's almost as big as she is, though, so it's more like a bed.
Ready?
I knew it was that.
SpongeBob.
Do you like being in front of the camera, Evie?
He is so
so she can record her opening present.
I hold it.
All right.
Evie, honey, please move.
I think the card is from Jocelyn and Jalen.
Yeah. It's from Jocelyn, Jalen, Uncle David, and Sarah.
Whoa.
Sarah, Mommy.
Oh, that's Aunt Sarah, yeah.
And that's Jocelyn and that's
Bam.
Is that the same shit that was at Grace's house?
that means it's from them.
Huh?
That means it's from
The chairs?
Jalen.
No.
No.
Sarah.
It looks exactly the same.
And Jocelyn.
No, that was tore down years ago.
Yeah, I thought we tore that down, but that's like, man, that looks just like it.
Maxie, do you want help opening the card? No.
Card?
What's the sound?
Turn it off.
Elbow? Elbow?
Hello. Okay, hello after the card, honey.
Get it. Oh, there it is.
Here you go, baby.
Do you need help with the hat? Do you want me to help you put the hat on? Do you want me
There
to
you
help
go.
you with the hat? Here you go. There you go. There you
Just
go.
look at
All
who
right.
it's
You
turning
have to
to.
turn it off. Every time I show them, it's press one.
Stardust?
We should use
Turn it off.
come through
Look at the
and
box.
smiles at last week.
Aw.
Come here, Max Bean. Box.
Doesn't want to be ignored.
No, mine did. No, look.
See?
Yours goes up,
Arrow.
mine goes down. Hello?
Okay.
I don't decide it.
Okay.
Whoa.
I'm getting a glare.
Rin, you want to climb into the chair?
You can record the voice on it too.
Turns it long.
I pushed it both ways and that don't seem to stop it.
Oh, there's a surefire way to shut those things up. It's called take the batteries.
Yeah, there's probably something in the directions that says that.
Alone, it'll stop.
Whee!
Squirrel? All right, hold the hello and open the box, Max.
Box.
Hello.
Hello, is anybody there?
Gotta take that call.
Oh well, they must have hung up. There you go.
Is this Max?
Hello.
Look at your mommy, Max.
Hello.
Max?
Who's there?
Hello.
Who's on the phone? Hello?
Phone.
Is Elmo on the phone?
Box. Elmo. Here, hand me the phone.
Multitasking.
Hello. Thanks. Hello. All right, box. Box. Bam. Woohoo.
What do you think it is?
Open.
I was gonna get her one of those pillow pets. I didn't know. I'm glad I didn't. That's got one.
Are there clothes? Let's see.
I told you, Brandon.
Those are
we
cute.
can't- Oh, wow, how pretty. Oh, gorgeous.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, cool.
Those are adorable. Thank you.
Do you have more boxes? We good?
No, there's one more. Oh, no. That one. Yeah.
Elmo. Elmo.
I guess it's a good thing I think Elmo's cute.
Yeah. Well, I almost want Elmo stuff, but I figured everybody else would buy it. So
There you go.
It's all good.
Surprise. It's indestructible.
See, I pushed Elmo because I knew if I didn't push something, it'd be Barney, and I freaking hate Barney.
who?
Hate Barney.
Bernie?
Barney, the
Oh,
purple
Barney.
dinosaur. So that's why I tried to. Here, Elmo's cute. You'll like Elmo. Open. See if it's Elmo.
Open.
Yeah, it might be Elmo. Try to open it. Or not.
Set up for a job here, kid.
Yeah, honey, you're probably gonna have to help more than that.
Yeah.
It looks tough.
There she goes.
Fort Knox.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Oh, I wonder what she's got. Oh, you have a leaf in your nose.
Oh, what are those?
Oh, books.
Oh, cool. You got some books?
But you guys can
Josie, let her go, baby girl. Josie.
Okay, I'm watching.
Next book.
There's a book in that. What's that other I'm watching, I'm sorry, I'm watching.
Say thank you.